Hello, this is director and producer James Gregson with Gregson Studios and the new instructional course development company, The How-To Cafe. We're currently working with Patrick Voss and the Robot Monkey Lab crew, and we're producing the How to Make an Attack Line Puppet HD streaming video training course that you're seeing here. And I wanted to take a few minutes to quickly talk about how Kickstarter works and how our training course is going to work. So hopefully you've already watched the main video and some of these other videos, a little interview with Patrick here with more of a backstory and why they are releasing this information and creating all these new training courses and everything. And if you get a chance, be sure to watch the Attack Zombie Puppet promotional video that we produced.
Introducing VFX Attack Line Puppet.
It's a fun little video, and it goes through and talks about more about what an Attack Line Puppet is, what's all included in the retail versions, and just a fun little note that the infamous Mark Dodson did the voiceover track for this promo video. If you don't know who Mark is, you ought to go look it up. So we've got a couple links down here. This one links to the VFX main website itself, and you can learn more about VFX here. If you want to learn more about Patrick, you can go to the About VFX link. You can also click here and it will open up the VFX Attack Line online store, and you can look at all the different products that they are currently selling. These are completed products and ready for the retail and professional haunt industry. So back up here at the top, let's talk about how the crowdfunding project is going to work. So this is considered a campaign, and the campaign creator is the person or organization that is raising the money to produce this product, film, or in our case, instructional course. And what they've done is we've got a pledged goal here that they're trying to reach. Now, what you do as a supporter or a backer of this project is you can click here to back this project. Now, I can't back it because I'm logged in on the back end. So this is considered my own project. So backing a project like this would also be considered a pledge, and a pledge has rewards, and it's very simple. So if you scroll down over here on the right, you can see a pledge of $20 or more, and what you would get is a Robot Monkey University t-shirt. If you scroll over here on this side, you can see everything that's included and read all the information. I'm not going to go over that with you right now, but like here's the reward one, the pledge of $20, so you get a t-shirt, which is a lot like supporting, if you ever watched the PBS program, you get a coffee mug and a t-shirt by supporting the organization. So the one that is of interest to everybody and why we're creating this is a pledge of $197 or more, and that is the actual course, access to the online streaming course. You obviously get the t-shirt, access to the VFX Make a Puppet product store, the discounts, and all the resource materials and everything as well. And I'm going to go over how this all works and how this is going to be delivered here in a second. So up here, you can also pledge without a reward. So if it's something you believe in, or friends and family and things, people like that, they can just pledge an amount to donate to support the cause. But what happens when you pledge an amount? So let's say that I'm going to go ahead and choose this $197. What happens is you are pledging $197 to get this course, and up here you can see how many days are left, how many backers, and where we are on the pledge amount. Now obviously this hasn't even started yet, so nothing's listed here. But when you make a pledge, the payment information is authorized, but the payment doesn't go through. If the goal is met by the date after this campaign is ended, then as long as we've reached the goal, then the payment information will then be processed. And the delivery date for the product itself is August 15th. You can see down here in the section that says campaign timeline. The crowdfunding campaign run for 27 days. We reach the goal. Here is the course will go live on August 15th, 2020. So that is when the course will actually be produced and released. You can also see the information here. Now we've got estimated delivery September 2020, just as a safety buffer. Hopefully we'll be done with that sooner. And the t-shirt will be done relatively quickly because we'll just go ahead and print those out. So if the goal is not met after this time frame, after the campaign is ended, then all the payment information is released and nobody takes any money, nobody gets any money, and that's the whole point of a whole campaign like this in a crowdfunding, and it's called All or Nothing. And you can go ahead and visit the Kickstarter. They've got a great information page here, and you can go through all the articles in this section, and it'll give you a really great easy read on how the crowdfunding and Kickstarter work. So if you haven't watched this video, I'm going to go through it and it will explain more about the courses and the store and things like that. So I don't need to go into too much of that right now. And that is just more of this kind of information here. What's all included, what the store is all about, the story behind VFX and the Robot Monkey University, why Patrick's doing all this. So here's a quick recap of how this is going to work, and then I'm going to show you how you'll gain access to the course once it's completed. If the funding goal is not met, authorizations are released and everything is canceled. When the funding goal is met, payment authorizations are then processed. And then training course production begins. We produce the training course, then the training course is completed, the course is delivered to backers, and the VFX parts store is opened. From there, the training course is released to the public on the vfxcreates.com website for the full retail price of $349. Kickstarter backers will then gain immediate access to the course, resources, and exclusive parts store. And as a backer, here's how the training course will be delivered and how you will access your complete course and resources. You're going to receive an email, and it's going to look something like this. Two of the main things in here are a course access link, okay, and the personalized zombie purchase code. And I would go ahead and copy this information into a text file like a notepad or something like that. But let's go ahead and run through it real quick and let me show you how the system works. And this is a live demo on the How To Cafe site that I'm using for developing other training courses. So what you do is you would access the link. And right now I'm just going to go ahead and copy my personalized zombie purchase code. Control C. Copy that, and I'm going to go ahead and click on this link. Now this is going to open up the how to make an Attack Line puppet purchase page. Now if you have already pledged, then you have purchased it, so don't let this fool you. So here's what you need to do, and here's how it's going to work. So we'd click buy it now. It won't take any payment information or anything like that. It's just going to open up another window. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to copy and paste that purchase code in here, and that's going to take it to 0. So we want to put a name in here. Let's just use James Gregson. And I'm going to use my email at VFX, since I do all the web development work at VFX as well. Okay, so yeah, I agreed. Okay, so that just took this information. I don't owe any money because I've already paid. I'm going to check out. Now this opens up what we are calling the Smart Rocket, and it's a Smart Rocket streaming player and resource tool. Now from here you can download things like the introduction PDF, which will go over how the course is laid out, things like that. Obviously the course outline, which will be more details on the course, the actual courses themselves, the video that you can stream here and play, and the course resources, which I believe is a set of documents that show where to buy, how to buy, what to use, what not to use, and things like that, with links built in. And at the bottom, you're going to have more information like access to the zombie store, which is going to be access to the special section that Pat talks about with all the tools and everything. This is just a placeholder here because that store is not open yet. So that's how you get to the store. And if you want to click on any of these, you can play it, and it's going to open up the launching the Smart Rocket and the Smart Rocket player. That's just a demo video we popped in there for now. And this will play on mobile devices. So what if you want to close this, go do something, and come back and find it again later? Well, that is a very simple question to answer, and let me go ahead and show you how that works. So what you're going to do is the system will automatically send you the details in another email. It's all automated. This will have all of your purchase information and so on and so forth. And obviously you've already paid for it through Kickstarter, so it's going to show 0 here. You have access down here on the bottom to the VFX Zombie and Puppet Parts Supply Store. That name may change a little bit, but the main idea is going to be this is the area that you should go to buy the pieces and parts that you have access to. It's a special section of the store for people who have supported the project. In here, you're going to click on this, get digital purchase, and it's going to open up the Smart Player again. So if I want to access this at any time, I can obviously click on this in my email and on my phone. But on a desktop, what I would do is this. I would go up here and bookmark, and I'm going to put this up on the bookmark bar, so that at any time, let's say, I'm going to close that, just say at any time I want to just go and open up and check out another video, I can just click on my digital purchases and it's going to open up my player, which I can then open and play at any time. And this will play on any device too, so it actually streams. So let me go ahead and close that. So hopefully that was some useful information to explain more about how this whole system is going to work. And we want to thank you for checking this project out. Please support us, share on social media, and if you have any other questions, feel free to drop us a line. And personally, I'm very excited about doing this and working on this project and creating this cool video on how to make Attack Line puppets, because these things are awesome.